Hello, hello.
Hello, Mark. How you doing?
Good. How we doing?
Good, man. Long time.
Yeah.
Thanks
Coming in to clean up.
Yeah. Thanks for having us over.
No, thanks for coming.
How many heat pumps you got here?
We got 4.
And how long have they been here for?
2 years.
Have they ever been cleaned?
Never.
Well, it looks like we got a job ahead of us.
Yeah.
Let's go check them out.
It's gonna be messy. So right here, I was up here painting there last week and noticed she was getting pretty grimy. So it kind of sparked my attention to give you a call.
Yeah, I know you guys are pretty busy, and that's usually the biggest indication for most people is once they end up taking a peek inside and seeing it, recognizing it can be quite a nightmare on the inside.
Yep.
Sounds like taking the cushions off your couch and finding all that crud underneath. So
yeah, no, absolutely.
So we'll get that off. We'll get that super cleaned, and you know what? I'll even give you a peek when I get everything off, just to show you what it really looks like under there.
Please do.
Okay.
I'm gonna show Neil.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, Mark. I took everything off. Why don't you take a look up there and see what's going on yourself?
I don't know if I want to, Jonathan. Oh my good God. Yeah, I'm so glad I called you.
Yeah.
You would never think from the outside that it was this bad. Well, you got some work ahead of you.
Yeah, we'll save it, make a nice bone broth with it.
Yeah.
The other thing that happens, if you don't clean your filters regularly, the stuff will seep through and get on the fins and the coils. Which is not the greatest. All right, so we're all done doing the cleaning, and this is what came out of your heat pumps.
Oh my dear God.
I know, it almost looked like they smoked for years.
You would never know it either, eh? Like, just, it's crazy to see.
No, they always look nice on the outside, but after a while they look like this on the inside, and honestly, this is not unusual for a heat pump of 2 years old, 3 years old. This is pretty standard, so yours are not a nightmare, but they were definitely due.
Well, I appreciate you coming in. Doing
No
a great
problem.
job. All right.
Well, thank you very much.
No.
Big meal for a job well done.
Yeah, no, thank you. Thank you for coming out and getting that done. I know it wasn't easy.
No, you're a little bit past due, but next year we will give you a reminder on your anniversary to let you know to give us a call, make a booking. But what do we got here?
All right, so this is the Max Smash Patty. So this was named after my son. So we got 2 smash patties, some Swiss cheese, some fried onions, some dynamite mayo. And,
Dynamite mayo.
Yeah, and some onion frites.
What's a dynamite mayo?
That's a little secret.
Secret? Okay, I will probe no further.
Yeah.
And thank you. I'll let you know how it is.
All right, enjoy.